If you're starting a business, you've probably been told to work harder, market more, and hustle until you succeed. But here's what I see over and over again. Most startups don't fail because they lack the passion. They fail because they never built the systems that support the growth. When everything lives in your head, every decision depends on you, and every task is reinvented each day. Your business becomes exhausting before it even becomes profitable. Today, I'm walking you through the 7 essential business systems every startup needs. Whether you're launching today for the first time or trying to rebuild after years of operating without structure, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to focus first so you can build a business that is organized, scalable, and far less stressful. So let's get started. So, why do systems matter? When people hear the word systems, they often think about software. And that's not what I mean. A business system is simply a repeatable way of getting constant results. Every successful company has systems. Whether they're good or not, they have systems. Think about McDonald's, Amazon, Starbucks. They have systems. Even your local accounting firm has systems. The difference is that startups often wait until they're overwhelmed before creating them. But the smartest founders build systems from day one because structure creates freedom. So, we're going to talk through several systems and just walk through what makes the most sense. So, let's talk about system number 1, vision and strategic planning systems. Everything begins with clarity. Before creating websites, before buying software, before hiring employees, you need to know where you're going, who you need to serve or who you will serve, and what success actually looks like. Without this, every opportunity looks like the right opportunity, and that is dangerous. Your vision system should include your business vision, your mission statement, core values, ideal customers, your annual goals, your quarterly goals, and your KPIs, which are your key performance indicators. This becomes the foundation for every decision you make. Even if you are a team of 1 or a team of 50, you need your vision system. So ask yourself, if you say yes to this opportunity, does it move me closer to my vision? If the answer is no, then don't do it. System number 2 is your operating management system. Now it's time to organize your business itself. This is where many entrepreneurs start feeling overwhelmed. Files are everywhere, projects are scattered, tasks are forgotten, deadlines slip. But an operating system creates order. This includes your file organization, your calendar management, weekly planning, project management, task tracking, and your business dashboard. When you know where everything belongs, your brain stops trying to remember everything. You're actually clearing your mind and clearing it for space that you actually need it for. Instead, your systems will remember for you. And that's why I always say you don't have a time problem, but you have a systems problem. System number 3 is your financial management system. Money should never be a surprise. Every startup needs a simple financial system, not complicated, not consistent, but to track the income, the expenses, your monthly profit, your cash flow, tax savings, but also your business budget. I use QuickBooks. It's really simple to use, really easy to implement and to follow. So with this, you should know every month how much came in, how much went out, what's profitable, and what needs attention. Successful businesses make decisions using numbers, not guesses. System number 4 is your sales and marketing system. Most founders treat marketing as random. Post when you remember, email when you have time, follow up when you think about it. But that's not a system. Instead, build a repeatable customer journey. Something discovers you. They trust you. They buy from you. They stay with you. Your systems might include your content calendar, your lead magnet, email sequences, your CRM, sales pipeline, weekly marketing schedule, customer follow-up processes. Build the systems that work for you. You don't need all of them all at once. Start small and build as you go, because your marketing should happen whether you feel motivated or not. So that's where put the systems in place, see what you can automate, see what you can delegate, and see what you don't need for your business. Every business is different, and do it for you. Not because somebody tells you, but do it for you. System number 5 is your process documentation system. Here's where businesses begin to scale. Every task you repeat should eventually become documented. That means you will have SOPs, so standard operating procedures, your checklists, your work instructions, your templates, your process maps. Imagine hiring somebody tomorrow. Could they learn your business without asking you 50 questions? Or can they learn your business without having to have hourly meetings and teach them every single step? If not, your business is not documented. You're actually not ready to hire somebody tomorrow. Documentation creates consistency. Consistency creates growth, and you need this in place so that way you can teach it to somebody tomorrow. So if you are a entrepreneur of one or a team of one, start it today, because tomorrow you may want to hire somebody and you want to be able to give them that package of documentation so they can start learning. System number 6 is leadership and communication systems. Even solopreneurs need leadership systems because eventually you'll work with contractors, virtual assistants, freelancers, employees, vendors. Clear expectations prevent confusion. Create the systems for meetings, decision-making, delegation, the accountability, communication, even your roles and responsibilities. People perform better when expectations are extremely clear. And great leaders don't manage chaos. They build clarity. System number 7, build your business review continuous improvement system. The final system is one that many startups completely ignore. Review your business regularly, at least on a quarterly basis, if not monthly. Because if you wait until there's a crisis, then you are only going to struggle more and more and more. So every month, every quarter, review your revenue, your expenses, your goals, your projects, your marketing, your operations, your customer feedback, your wins, your lessons learned. Improvement has opportunities. This creates a habit of improving instead of reacting. Small improvements every month creates extraordinary businesses over time. So looking at all these systems, putting it all together, let's recap the 7 systems. Vision and strategic planning, operations management, financial management. You'll have sales and marketing, process documentation, leadership and communication, and business review and continuous improvement. Did you notice something here again? These aren't isolated systems. They all work together. Your vision determines your goals. Your operations execute the goals. Your processes create the consistency. Leadership keeps people aligned. Marketing brings in the customers. Finance measures success. Reviews improve everything. This is exactly how sustainable businesses are built. Now, if you're feeling overwhelmed trying to build a business, don't try to build all 7 systems overnight. That is not possible. Start with the foundation. And that's exactly why I created the Optima Operations Consulting Ecosystem. Inside, you will find 6 foundational business pillars designed to help entrepreneurs build businesses intentionally. You have your vision foundation, your operations foundation, process foundation, leadership foundation, growth, and personal foundation. Each one of these foundations include practical workbooks, templates, guides, and trainings that help you build these systems step by step, and they build on top of each other as well, without the guesswork. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for the weekly small business training, and leave a comment below. So which of these 7 systems does your business need the most right now? Start today, take a step back, and build the business that you need. I'd love to hear where you are in your business journey, and so I can tailor the next video to you. Thanks for watching, and remember, structure creates freedom. Build your systems today so your business can grow tomorrow. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.